Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration. We hope you are doing great. In this video, we will talk about Form I-485 processing time 2024.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about Form I-485 processing time 2024. The Form I-485, or Application to Register Permanent Residence or Adjust Status, is a vital step for those seeking lawful permanent residency in the United States. Understanding the processing times for this form is essential as it influences when applicants can transition to permanent status. In this video, we'll discuss average processing times, factors that affect these timelines, and tips for staying informed throughout the process. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end, please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Green card timeline: the steps in the I-485 process. Navigating the U.S. immigration system can be daunting, especially when applying for a green card through Form I-485, Application to Register Permanent Residence or Adjust Status. The timeline and steps involved in this process is crucial for applicants to avoid delays and ensure a smooth transition to permanent residency. Here's an expanded overview of the critical milestones in the I-485 process. 1. Receipt of application 2 to 4 weeks after filing. The moment you file your Form I-485, the green card timeline officially begins. After successfully submitting your application, you will receive a receipt notice from the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. This document, formerly known as Form I-797C, Notice of Action, serves as confirmation that USCIS has received your application. Typically, this notice arrives within 2 to 4 weeks post-filing. However, if your application is improperly filed, missing essential information, or supporting documents, USCIS will send a Notice of Action rejecting your application. This rejection can significantly prolong the processing time, underscoring the importance of preparing a complete and accurate adjustment of the status application package. 2. Biometrics appointment 5 to 8 weeks after filing. Following the receipt notice, you will receive an appointment notice for your biometrics appointment, which is usually scheduled about 5 to 8 weeks after your initial filing. This appointment, held at your local USCIS Application Support Center, is vital for conducting security clearances and criminal background checks. During the biometrics appointment, which lasts under 20 minutes, USCIS will collect your fingerprints, photograph, and signature. You must bring a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or military ID. It's important to attend your scheduled appointment. Rescheduling can lead to delays in your application process. If you have a criminal record, even minor infractions, consult with an immigration attorney before your appointment, as certain convictions could jeopardize your eligibility. 3. Receive your ETA card 8 to 20 weeks after filing. If you filed Form I-765, Application for Employment Authorization, alongside your I-485, you may receive your employment authorization document approximately 8 weeks after filing. The EAD, often referred to as a work permit, is crucial for allowing you to work legally in the U.S. while your adjustment application is pending. If you also applied for advanced parole with Form I-131, you may experience a longer wait for this travel document. Historically, USCIS issued a combo card combining the EAD and advanced parole, but recent efforts to streamline processing times have led to separate issuance of these documents. 4. Adjustment of status interview 8 to 14 months after filing. One of the most significant steps in the green card timeline is the adjustment of status interview, which typically occurs 8 to 14 months after filing your application. While family-based applicants, particularly those petitioned by spouses, are usually required to attend an interview, USCIS may waive this requirement for other categories at their discretion. You will receive another Form I-797, Notice of Action, detailing your interview appointment. Be prepared for a brief meeting lasting around 30 minutes. To facilitate a smooth interview, review your I-485 and all supporting documents ahead of time. Bring a complete copy of your application, any originals of submitted documents like birth or marriage certificates, and your passport containing your visa or parole documentation. Total I-485 processing time. In certain cases, applicants may receive approval for permanent residence immediately after the interview. If approved, USCIS will mail your green card shortly thereafter. Conversely, if your application is denied, USCIS will send a notice explaining the reasons for the denial. Once you become a permanent resident, you gain the right to travel internationally and return to the U.S. with your valid green card, which also serves as proof of your right to work in the country. The I-485 processing time varies based on several factors, including the USCIS office where you filed and the current caseload. Therefore, it is essential to stay informed and prepared throughout this intricate process. If you have questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to an immigration attorney for guidance. In summary, the processing time for Form I-485 can vary widely based on several factors. Staying informed and prepared is crucial for applicants, as this can help manage expectations and ensure a smoother transition to permanent residency. Regularly checking for updates and understanding potential delays can empower individuals on their journey to becoming lawful permanent residents. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
The journey to obtaining a green card through Form I-485 application to register permanent residence or adjust status is a structured yet intricate process that involves several key steps and timelines. Once you file your Form I-485, the green card timelines begins and you will receive a receipt notice from USCIS, formerly known as Form I-797C, within approximately 2 to 4 weeks. This notice confirms that your application has been received. However, if there are issues with your application, such as missing information or supporting documents, USCIS will send a notice of action to reject it, significantly delaying your process, therefore ensuring that your application package is complete and accurate is crucial to avoid unnecessary setback. Following the receipt notice, you will receive an appointment notice for your biometric appointment, typically scheduled 5 to 8 weeks after your filing. This appointment takes place at your local USCIS application support center and is essential for conducting security checks and background investigation. During this brief appointment, which usually lasts less than 20 minutes, USCIS will collect your fingerprints, photograph and signature. It is important to bring a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or a driver license. Attendance at this appointment is vital, as rescheduling can lead to further delays. If you have a criminal record, even a minor offense, it is advisable to consult an immigration attorney beforehand, since certain crimes can affect your eligibility for immigration benefit. If you submitted Form I-765 application for employment authorization along with your I-485, you may receive your employment authorization document approximately 8 weeks after filing. The EAD serves as your work permits while your application is pending. If you also applied for advanced parole with Form I-131, that document may take longer to process. Recently, USCIS has changed its approach, possibly issuing the EAD and advanced parole as a separate document instead of the previous combo card. A crucial milestone in this process is the adjustment of the status interview, which typically occur 8 to 14 months after filing. Applicants, especially those sponsored by spouses, are often required to attend an interview, although USCIS may waive these requirements for other categories. You will receive a notice detailing the time and place of your interview. Preparing truly is vital. Review your application, bring all relevant documents and be ready to discuss your background. In some cases, you may be approved for permanent residency at the end of your interview with the green card mailed shortly afterward. However, if your application is denied, USCIS will inform you of the results. The overall I-485 processing time varies based on factors such as the USCIS office handling your case and the current workload, making it essential to stay informed and prepared throughout this process. Consulting an immigration attorney can provide valuable guidance to navigate.